Hello friends, welcome to Harmony Physics classes. Myself Lokesh Kumar and this is video number 8 on Assam Meghalaya CSR NET JRF Physical Science December 2019 solution, and these questions are from part C. Now common question first. A surface current I flows in a rectangular conducting sheet of width W and a carrier density of n particle per unit area. The charge is Q. When a constant magnetic field Bk is applied perpendicular to the sheet and coming out of it, see the figure, this is figure, by the y component of the induced electric field in the sheet away from the edges is, these are y component of electric field, these are option. Now solution of this question. Here given a rectangular sheet and the applied current in the x direction. Here the direction of current is x, means in the x direction, and the applied magnetic field in direction of this y z direction, means here we followed left hand rule by the force, Lorentz force. Then Lorentz force will be upward direction in the y direction. In this direction, the Lorentz force will be in this direction. Lorentz force, due to this Lorentz force, the charge will be separate. Then this is, the charge displays force plus 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 and negative 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 negative, and the direction of the electric field is here EH, and the force by these charges, this electric field is equal to this in this direction FH. When FL and FH equal, okay, this is equal to, this is called a steady state, and using this condition we determine the Hall coefficient. The Hall coefficient is given by RH equal to 1 by NQ equal to EH by JX BZ. JX, here JX current in unit area, means JX defined as I by A, and A is area, the area of this sheet, width W cross its thickness, then I x equal to width cross this thickness, W is width and T is thickness, and put all value in this equation. Then EH equal to Ix Bz by Wt and Q. Okay, then this n is number of particle in volume. Okay, and this quantity T equal to, this quantity n dash equal to Tn, n dash, this is number of particle in area of sheet. Okay, then we have to define n dash. Then EH equal to Ix Bz by W and Q. Okay, then this is our answer. n dash, यहाँ पे n dash मैंने define किया है, but here we can take n dash and define n only. Then option 3 will be correct. If we consider direction, then option D will be correct. D will be also correct, but in the question there is not pointed the direction of electric field. There is only asking magnitude of y component of induced magnetic field, and option C will be correct. Now common question 2. The basis vector of a two-dimensional Bravais lattice are even equal to this one and E2 equal to this one. A choice of brevis for reciprocal lattice can be. These are option. These are reciprocal brevis vector, basis vector. Okay. Question of this question: reciprocal lattice basis vector is defined as A star equal to 2 pi dot B cross C by A dot B cross C. Okay. In this question here given in term of E1, E2 and E3. Okay, and this will be changed E1 star equal to 2 pi E2 cross E3, E1 dot E2 cross E3. Okay, E1 is given that 1 by 2 I plus 3 by 2 j, and E2 equal to 1 by 2 I minus 3 by 2 j, and in this question there is not defined E3, but to solve this question we define E3 in the direction of k. Okay, then we have to solve E1 star and 2 pi. We have to solve this, we have to E2 cross E3 and this one E1 dot E2 cross E3. This is called volume of the lattice, and E2 cross E3. Okay, then I j k. E2 it is half minus 3 by 2 and 0, and E3 0 0 1. Then E2 cross E3 is equal to minus 3 by 2 iota plus 1 by 2 j. Okay, and also E1 dot E2 cross E3, then dot product of E1 1 by 2 I plus 3 by 2 j minus 3 by 2 I plus 1 by 2 j, then this will be E2 cross E3, then minus here iota dot iota 1, then this is equal to 2 root 3 by 4. Okay, this and this put here in this equation, then this will be changed in minus root 3 by 2 I plus 1 by 2 j. This is this relation put here, and put 1 by minus 2 root 3 by 4 and cancel out 2 minus minus positive, and E1 star equal to 4 pi by root 3 by 2 I plus 1 by 2. Okay, similarly we have to solve E2 star. E2 is defined as 2 pi dot E3 cross E1 by E1 dot E2 cross E3. Okay, then this will be E3 cross E1, then I, j and k, 0 0 1 and 1 by 2 I, 3 by 2 and this is 0, then E3 cross E1, change in this 3 by 2 I minus 3 by 2 I and plus 1 by 2 j. Okay, and E1 dot E2 dot E3 cross E3, we solve this minus 2 3 by 4, put all value in this equation, then E2 star equal to 2 pi, यहाँ से नेगेटिव कॉमन ले लिया तो ये हो गया 3 by 2 I minus 1 by 2 j and negative 2 root 3 by 4, and negative negative positive 2 से 2 cancel, and E2 star equal to 4 by root 3 √3/2 I minus 1/2 j. Okay, this is E2 star and this is E1 star. These are lattice vector, sorry, these are reciprocal lattice basis vector. Okay, then option 2 will be correct. इसका डायरेक्ट मेथड भी होता है. अगर E1 स्टार डॉट E2 स्टार इक्वल टू 0 होगा एंड E1 स्टार इक्वल टू 1 होगा, इस प्रॉपर्टी से भी इसको सोल्व किया जा सकता है. ये E1 स्टार E2 स्टार, इनको यहाँ इस प्रॉपर्टी में डॉट प्रोडक्ट करते हैं. अगर 0 मिलता है और 1 मिलता है, E1 या E2 1 मिलता है तो वो सेटिस्फाइड होंगे और वही लेटिस वेक्टर होंगे. तो ऐसे भी इसको डायरेक्ट रूप से इसको सोल्व किया जा सकता है. नाउ कम ऑन क्वेश्चन 3. द लाइट इमिटेड एट CT XYZ इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एट C plus del T, X plus del X, Y plus del Y and Z plus del Z. When propagating in medium with refractive index n, the square of the proper time between the events. Okay, the time dilution. The solution of this question, the time dilution relation equal to del T equal to del tau 1 minus V square by C square. del T क्या है कि आफ्टर del T, यहाँ del T है डिले टाइम. ओके, एंड del tau क्या है यहाँ पे, प्रॉपर टाइम. ओके, अगर मैं इसका स्क्वायर कर देता हूँ ये चेंज हो जाएगा. del T स्क्वायर इक्वल टू del tau का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 माइनस V स्क्वायर बाई C स्क्वायर. अगर एक लाइट मीडियम में ट्रेवल करती है जिसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स n है, तो लाइट की वेलोसिटी क्या होती है, v इक्वल टू C बाई n इन द मीडियम. ये क्या होगी, लाइट की वेलोसिटी इन द मीडियम, जब उस मीडियम का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स n हो. ठीक है, देन n इक्वल टू क्या हो गया, C बाई v. पुट दिस वन इज हियर एंड del T होल स्क्वायर del tau का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 माइनस, this is V by C and n equal to C by n, then this n is equal to n का whole square, then del tau का whole square equal to 1 minus 1 by n square, and this will change to n square minus 1 by n square del tau का del t का whole square equal to del tau का whole square. This is our answer. क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है द स्क्वायर ऑफ द प्रॉपर टाइम बिटवीन टू इवेंट्स. ओके, then this is the proper time, the square of proper time between two events, and option 3 will be correct.